In this video, we take a look at the Warehouse Management Monitor in SAP EWM. With this powerful tool, you can monitor and control all processes in the warehouse. We will show you how to use it. Enter the transaction /n/scwm/mon in the command field to start the Warehouse Management Monitor. When starting the monitor for the first time in a session, you need to specify the warehouse number and the monitor you want to use. In this example, the warehouse number ADVI is used together with the standard monitor SAP. The system now presents the main menu of the Warehouse Management Monitor. Here you can see a number of paths that lead to different functions. The Warehouse Management Monitor is used, among other things, for stock overview, management of warehouse tasks and warehouse orders, tracking of deliveries, or resource management. In addition, it is important for inventory, workload monitoring, alert monitoring, packing and repacking, analysis of material movements, as well as planning and control. In this video, we will take a closer look at one of the most important functions. The procedure described here can be applied to many other documents and objects in the Warehouse Management Monitor. Under the path Stock and Bin, you will find the option Physical Stock. Here, you can easily search for the material you want to pack and find out on which storage bin it is located. Click on Physical Stock. In the new window, you can then enter the product, that is the material to be packed, into the corresponding field and click Execute. The system now displays an overview, where you can directly read the storage bin of the material in the column Storage Bin. And this is just one of many functions. The Warehouse Management Monitor provides a central point of access to monitor warehouse stock and manage warehouse processes efficiently.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.